Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to contact Airbnb customer service and get in touch with a real support agent. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Profile. This is where you'll find all your account settings and support options. Once you're in your Profile section, you'll see various menu items available. Next, tap on Get Help. This option is specifically designed to connect you with Airbnb's support resources and will give you access to their help center and customer service team. It's your main gateway to getting assistance with any issues or questions you might have about your bookings, account, or general Airbnb matters. Now you'll see an option that says Visit the Help Center. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to Airbnb's comprehensive help center where you can find answers to common questions and access different support channels. The help center contains a wealth of information, but since you need direct assistance, you'll want to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the help center, scroll down until you find the Contact Us option and tap on it. This is the crucial step that opens up the direct communication channels with Airbnb's support team. It's important to scroll carefully as this option might be positioned among other help resources. After tapping Contact Us, you'll be directed to Airbnb support where you can start interacting with their system. Initially, you'll be connected with an AI assistant that can help with basic questions. However, if you need more personalized help or have a complex issue, simply chat with the AI assistant and clearly state that you want to talk to a real agent. The system will then connect you with a human customer service representative who can provide more detailed assistance with your specific situation. And that's it. You've successfully reached Airbnb's customer service and can now get the help you need from a real person. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.